Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If you're looking to boost your credit and take control of your financial future, then you have come to the right place. Today, I'm super excited to discuss four amazing credit cards that can actually help you elevate your credit score and build better financial habits. So, whether you're just starting out rebuilding your credit or even maintaining a strong credit score, these credit cards can be the key to unlocking the credit score you've always dreamed of. So, let's dive right into it. First off, let's take a quick moment to understand why credit cards can be a powerful tool for rebuilding credit. Now, credit cards, when used responsibly, can positively impact your credit score by increasing your credit utilization ratio, making timely payments and diversity your types of credit. Now, with that in mind, let's go ahead and get into four amazing credit cards that will actually help you raise your credit score. Now, the first one on my list is the Discover It Secured credit card. Now, why do I love this option? It's really designed for people looking to build or rebuild their credit. Now, it does require a security deposit, which is a safeguard for lenders. But here's the kicker: Discover matches all the cashback earnings during the first year. That means you can earn rewards while you work on building your credit. Plus, they offer a pathway to transition to an unsecured credit card after a year. So to me, I definitely feel that this is a win win situation. Again, there is no credit score required to apply. There is an easy application. And again, they do require a security deposit, but that is refundable after boosting or building your personal credit. And with this credit card, it comes with no annual fee. So this would definitely be the first on my list, especially if you are serious about rebuilding your personal credit. Now, let's talk about the Capital One Platinum Secured Credit Card. Now, this card also targets individuals building or rebuilding their credit scores. Now, the deposit requirements are flexible. You can put down a initial deposit, and after a few months of responsible use, you may even qualify for a higher credit limit without requiring another deposit. Plus, this card regularly reports your payments to all three major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, which keeps your credit building journey on track. Now, I have mentioned this in a few of my videos with the Capital One Secured credit card. This was one of my first credit cards that actually did help me rebuild my credit. Now, with this credit card, you can also see if you can pre qualify without no risk to your credit score whatsoever. There is a $0 annual fee, and you can put down as little as $49 for your security deposit. The purchase rate is 29.74%. So, this is definitely a great option when it comes to helping you rebuild your personal credit. Now, my third card on the list would be the Freedom or the Chase of Freedom Flex credit card. Now, this is a fantastic rewards card. It also gives a great choice for those looking to use their credit responsibly. Now, with no annual fee and the ability to earn 5% back on rotating categories, it encourages you to spend smart. Now, the key to boosting your credit with this card is to pay off your balance in full each month. Now, this responsible behavior shows the credit bureau that you are reliable and trustworthy, and your score will reflect that positive payment history. Now, with this credit card, it is a unsecured credit card, and they do have a limit as high as $10,000 that you can be approved for. And also, you do not need to be a Chase member in order to apply for this credit card. You can apply as a guest, and the application process is very simple and straightforward, giving you the ability to proceed on with this application to see if you are approved. Now, with this credit card, they do not offer any kind of pre approval. So, if you do apply, it will be a hard inquiry on your credit profile, whether or not you have been approved or not. Now, finally, look at the Pedal to Cashback Visa credit card. Now, this card is a fantastic option if you have limited credit history or even no credit at all. Now, what I love about the Pedal is the approach. Instead of relying solely on your credit score, they approve you based on your income as well and your spending habits. Plus, you can earn cash back on purchases. Yes, please, like the others. It's also reports to all three major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, which helps you build a strong credit profile from scratch. Now, with this credit card, it is a unsecured credit card, and they do have a limit as high as $10,000 that you can be approved for. There are zero fees in the APR, which is a little bit high at 30.99%, and the lowest is 28.99%. But again, this is all based on credit worthiness. You can also earn cash back on everyday purchases between 1% and 5%. I do recommend this credit card if you are going to be spending responsibly to help you boost your personal credit. So there you have it, four credit cards that can help you boost your credit score while also offering you fantastic benefits. Remember, the journey to building your credit is not a marathon, it's a sprint. So it requires patient consistencies on time payments and smart financial habits. Credit cards can be a powerful tool in this journey, but they must be handled responsibly. So if you did find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more insight on financial tips. Also, don't forget to share your experience or any questions that you might have below in the comments. Let's help each other navigate this financial landscape together. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.